Let's start revision of chapter 7. The topic is air. This is the test yourself. Fill in the blanks. Air is a mixture of many gases. 2. Blanket of air around the earth is called atmosphere. 3. Air consists of 21% oxygen and 78% nitrogen. 4. Oxygen is the essential element for burning. See question round. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. The troposphere is the lowest portion of the Earth's atmosphere. 2. Air occupies space and has weight. 3. Air expands on heating. 4. Respiration involves oxidation of the carbon and hydrogen molecules present in food materials. 5. Oxygen is essential for burning. 6. Asthma and cough are respiratory diseases. B. Write true or false. Ozone layer is a protective layer surrounding the earth. True. Air dissolves in water, contains 30% to 35% of oxygen. True. CNG is one of the non-polluting fuel. True. Oxygen is non-combustible gas. False. Respiration involves oxidation of carbon and hydrogen molecules. True. Water vapor in air causes moisture. True. Air is used for the pollination of flowering plants. True. Afforestation is one of the measures to prevent air pollution. True. C. Match the following. Inhaled air, oxygen. Exhaled air, carbon dioxide. Plants respire through stomata. Causes pollution, smoking. Respiratory diseases, asthma. See question number D. Answer these questions in 1 or 2 lines. Define the following terms. A, B, C. See here. This is answer of A, this is answer of B, and this is the answer of C. Question number 2. What do you understand by the terms exhaled and inhaled air? See page number 53. Here is the answer. Inhaled air, exhaled air. It is also, you can write from here also. The air when we breathe, we take in air rich in oxygen. This is called inhaled air. The air we breathe out is called exhaled air. Now, list the properties of air. See here. This is the answer of question number 3. Now question number 4. Why is air important for animals and plants? Both animals and plants respire. This process gives them the energy to eat, grow and live life. Now question number 5. What is atmosphere? See here. Our earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called atmosphere. This is page number 52. Now question number E. Answer these questions in detail. 1. Explain the causes of air pollution. Page number 57. See here. These are the causes of air pollution. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next question is, write an experiment to show that air occupies space. See page number 53. You can take help the video of this chapter. This is the activity and you have to write it and draw the figure also. Question number 3. What are the preventive measures that can be taken to reduce air pollution? See page number 59. This is the measures to prevent air pollution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have to write from here. Question number 4. Write a short note on composition of air. See page number 54. This is the composition of air. Draw it and write about it. Now question number 5. Write an experiment to show that oxygen supports burning. You can take help of the video of this chapter also and see page number 55. This is the experiment regarding this. Now let's start revision of chapter 8, materials and solution. See here, test yourself. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash substances are soluble in water. Many. 2. A solution is a mixture formed when a solute is dissolved in a solvent. 3. Oil is immiscible in water. 4. Oil is insoluble in water. It can be insoluble. 4. Dash is used to separate a soluble solid from the liquid. It is evaporation. Now start question round. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. A mixture formed by dissolving a solute in a solvent is called solution. 2. Sand and chalk are insoluble substances in water. 3. In a solution of salt in water, salt is a solute. 4. Dash is a substance in which solute is to be dissolved. Solvent. 5. Separation through filter paper is known as filtration. 6. Sedimentation is the settling down of solid constituent in a liquid. 7. Dash is substance from which a thing can be made, and the answer is material. B. Write true or false. 1. Sedimentation is possible only by using filter paper. False. Solution is combination of solute and solvent. True. 3. Decantation is a process of settling down the heavy substance in a liquid. False. 4. The sand that settles down in a liquid is called sediment. True. Evaporation is used to separate an insoluble solid from a liquid. True. When the quantity of solvent is more than the solute in a mixture, it is called concentrated solution. False. 7. The substances that dissolve in water are called soluble substances. True. See, match the following. Filter paper, filtration. More solvent and less solute, dilute solution. Mixture of two different components, solution. Oil in water, insoluble substance. Salt and sugar, soluble substances. Now D, answer these questions in 1 or 2 lines. Define the term. A. Solution, B. Solute and C. Solvent. See here its answer. This is A, this is B and this is C. Differentiate between soluble and insoluble substances. See page number 64. This is the soluble substances and this is insoluble substances. Right from here. Now question number C. What is sediment? Sediments are insoluble solids. 4. What do you understand by separating funnel? See page number 66. This is the separating funnel. See here. This is the answer of what is separating funnel. Here you can write the answer from here. Now question number E. Answer these questions in detail. 1. With the help of an activity, explain the process of sedimentation and decantation. For activities, you can take help from the video of this lesson. And you can also see page number 66. This is the process of sedimentation and decantation. To explain the process of filtration, see page number 66. This is the process of filtration, and you can take help from the video of this chapter. 3. How will you separate a soluble solid from a liquid? See page number 65. This is the activity, and you have to write from here or from the video. Question number 4. Describe solution with the help of an activity. See page number 64. This is the activity, and you can write its answer from here or with the help of the video of this chapter. Now, explanation and revisions of all the chapters of half-yearly syllabus is completed of general science. Now, all of you write notes carefully and neatly and learn it. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.